Alrighty, John, here's the 347 small block Ford. Gives descriptions, combinations. Got a set of our CNC heads on it. Got the high ram on it for you. Got some grind hydraulic roller. Rear sump oil pan. We're going to make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,800, 390 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peak torque 442, peak horsepower 523, rated at 500, so runs really good. That's the Holley high ram. See your engine and find this thing. Looks like a credit card, USB card. It is full of technical information. Highly recommend watch everything. And also in your packet will be this spec sheet. Definitely look it all over. It'll definitely answer a lot of questions you might have. Have a great day.